Hey, imagine this. Wouldn't it be incredibly exciting if all university classes across Japan were available online? You're probably thinking, wait, what? Right, I'm going to tell you all about that exciting, what? This isn't just some daydream. Right now, there are so many people in the world who are forced to give up on what they truly want to study because they live too far away from a university or their work schedule just doesn't allow it. So, if we made all university lectures available online, anyone could access cutting-edge academics anytime, anywhere, with just a smartphone. This is what we call the democratization of learning. Why would this be so amazing? First, the gap in learning caused by where you live would completely disappear. Whether you live in a big city or on a remote island, you would get to take the exact same top-tier classes. Plus, from studying hobbies after retirement to gaining skills to use in your current job, lifelong learning would become much more accessible. If everyone builds up their knowledge and we become a society filled with intellectual curiosity, wouldn't Japan become an incredibly vibrant and smart country? So, why don't we start by talking about this nationwide university online lecture plan? I think the future changes the moment you start chatting with your friends about, if we had this, what would you want to study? If you think this idea is even a little bit cool, please spread the word to people around you. Let's break down the barriers to learning together and open the door to a new era.